If you're running a small business and looking to streamline your processes, you've probably come across TeamGate CRM. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to use TeamGate CRM to boost your efficiency and keep track of everything from leads to sales without getting bogged down by complicated systems. Stick around because at the end, we'll reveal an exclusive offer and tell you about even better alternatives for small business owners. Let's dive right into the core features of TeamGate CRM. First up, the platform offers a really simple and clean interface. It's designed to minimize clutter, which is crucial when you're running a small business and need quick access to your customer data. With TeamGate, you can manage everything from contact information to sales pipelines in one spot, helping you stay organized without the overwhelm. Next, the deal pipeline. This is one of TeamGate's standout features. You can visually track where each lead is in your sales process, making it easy to see exactly where to focus your efforts. The drag and drop functionality allows you to move deals along the pipeline, making updates fast and intuitive. It's easy to spot bottlenecks or areas that need improvement. The third thing to note is automation. TeamGate allows you to automate repetitive tasks like follow-up emails, notifications, and task assignments. Automation like this is a lifesaver, particularly for small businesses where you don't have the luxury of a large team. It ensures that nothing slips through the cracks and everything stays on track, even when you're busy with other tasks. Now, let's talk about integrations. TeamGate integrates with various tools that you may already be using, like Gmail, MailChimp, and Google Calendar. These integrations make it easier to connect your CRM with other platforms without wasting time on manual data entry. However, it's worth noting that while the integrations are useful, they don't cover as wide a range as some other CRM systems on the market, so keep that in mind when making your decision. Next, analytics. With TeamGate, you get access to detailed reports and dashboards. You can track sales performance, identify trends, and forecast future revenue. This feature is valuable for making data-driven decisions. However, the reports are somewhat limited compared to other CRMs, and there's a bit of a learning curve to fully harness the power of the data, so be prepared to invest some time into learning it. Finally, we have customer support. TeamGate offers support through email, live chat, and a help center. While they generally respond quickly, their support is not as robust as some competitors in terms of the variety of resources available. It's fine for a small team, but if you're looking for more in-depth training materials or faster support, you might find it lacking. So, how does TeamGate stack up for small businesses? It's a solid CRM that offers a good range of tools for keeping things simple and organized. However, if you're looking for a more powerful CRM with a wider variety of integrations, better analytics, or more comprehensive support, you might want to check out alternatives that can provide all that and more. Before you make your final decision, I have something special for you. Through our link, you can access an exclusive extended free trial to TeamGate CRM, giving you a chance to test it out risk-free. But we've also found a few great alternatives that are even better suited for small businesses with specific goals in mind. These alternatives also offer free trials and have features that might be a better fit for you. Click the link in the description to grab the best free trial available and exclusive benefits that are only for our viewers. Whether you choose TeamGate or one of the alternatives, you'll have the tools you need to grow your business efficiently.